Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to Lady Khadija radiallahu anha. May God be pleased with her. Online college. This is a live lesson for A-level maths year 2, following the Edexcel Pearson syllabus. We're currently in the chapter on differentiation, and today we're looking at natural log of x. You can pronounce this as natural log of x or log x or ln x if you just want to keep it as short as possible. Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, in the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. The basic principle is that natural log of x differentiates to a very simple fraction, which is 1 over x. If you can remember that, then that's all you have to know and understand, that the natural log of x differentiates to 1 over x. Okay, let's try and see some examples. Have a think about these ones. First, differentiate 3 plus the natural log of x. Then differentiate 3 times the natural log of x. And finally, natural log of 3x. Let's differentiate that. Okay, let's have a look at the first one. We're differentiating 3 plus natural log of x, so dy by dx will be equal to, the 3 is a constant, any constant differentiates to nothing, so that will just disappear. Natural log of x, we've already seen, differentiates to 1 over x, so you'll just be left with dy by dx equals 1 over x. Hopefully that was nice and easy, and the next one will be also nice and easy. Y equals 3 natural log of x. The 3 here means 3 times natural log of x. So that's going to follow through in the answer. So we have dy by dx is equal to, so 3 times just follows through, 3 times. And then the only thing we have to change is natural log of x. Natural log of x differentiates to 1 over x. So it will be 3 times 1 over x. We can simplify that a little bit. 3 times 1 is 3, so that's just going to become 3 over x. Okay, and then finally, on this side, we want to differentiate y equals natural log of 3x. This one is a little bit longer, so let's move it onto a new page. Hopefully you've got the basic idea. The natural log of x differentiates to 1 over x. So now let's take a look at a bit of a more sophisticated example. Here we're going to have to apply the chain rule because the original rule is natural log of x, just x, differentiates to 1 over x. If we've got 3x or 5x or something more complicated than x, then we're going to have to apply a chain rule, which means there's a second step. So let's do the first step, dy by dx. We just differentiate as normal. So anything with log in it is just going to become 1 over that thing. So natural log of x becomes 1 over x. Natural log of 3x will become 1 over 3x. That's the first step. But then the second step in the chain rule is you have to take a look at what is inside the function that is in the place of x, and we have to differentiate that as well. So differentiating 3x, hopefully you're comfortable, that is just 3. So all we need to do is take our answer and times it by the 3. So let's just repeat that. So natural log of 3x First, step one is to follow the pattern. Natural log of anything becomes 1 over that thing. So this becomes, in the first step, 1 over 3x. But in the second step of the chain rule, we then apply the chain rule to the 3x. 3x differentiates to 3, so we just times by 3. Okay, then simplify. We can do 1 times 3 on the top, which is 3 over 3x. And then both the top and the bottom can be divided by 3, so that becomes 1 over x. Okay, join me for more on differentiation in our next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Peace be with you and the mercy and blessings of God.